My name's Deb Coos. I'm the project coordinator for the Active Inclusion project at EYST. EYST is the Ethnic Minorities and Youth Support Team, based in Swansea originally, but from there it's grown. We now cover all of Wales. Through European funds, we've been able to get money in order to try and help up to 12 young people aged 18 to 24 into supported employment. Temeka answered an advert that we had for a placement with Jukebox Collective. Jukebox Collective are a really amazing black-led dance group and arts collective. She'd been away, she'd been to university, she'd done an internship, but she was ready for her first job, and there just weren't very many jobs out there for her. Despite the fact that there's a barrier of not being face-to-face, she's really blossomed and come out of it so well. Hi Temeka!
Hi, how are you? Being on this placement has been really exciting because I've been able to learn a lot with CCT training that they've given me, safeguarding training, but also learning a lot on the basis of being a black woman working in an industry. I've been told a lot of stories and I shared quite a few of mine as well, which has made me feel like a lot more valid in what I thought I was going through maybe at the time. I think what it's probably given me is more confidence in what I'm good at. They've really given me that space, both Jukebox and EYST, to develop in my career and find the path that I want to go down in the future.
This project has been vital for our communities in giving them the support that they need to make that first step into employment. Yes, there are barriers for you. I'm sure that you're thinking about the administration, about the time it's going to take to get through it, but I would say WCVA is there to help you. The Active Inclusion team have been amazing. Overall, my advice is go for it. I really do feel that the end result is you're trying to put people from your community into employment, and there's nothing better than that feeling when you've just got somebody into a job.